Hi, I'm Angela and I'm with Midlife Cruising. My husband Steve and I live full-time on the Villa Vie Odyssey Residential cruise ship, and we have a YouTube channel called Midlife Cruising. And now this is our second channel, Villa Vie Odyssey Rentals. And today I have the biggest room for rent that we've come across yet so far. I'm guessing it's 300 something square feet. I'll have Steve pop that up there, but you can rent this room out. Come aboard, enjoy your time here. Remember all the amazing things that it includes on the Villa Vie, those things you pay extra for, like Wi-Fi and drinks, all the things. So enjoy the tour of this room. And remember, if you hit subscribe, you're the first one to get notified when we upload a new video, because we let it sit there for a while before we share it to our social media pages. So if you want to be first and jump on a rental sooner than everyone else, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Okay, let's check out this villa suite for rent. We are on deck 7, room 7020, just a few doors down from the elevator and stairwell, so super easy access. Check out this mega room. Nice, lovely seating area, living room, great king bed. Here at the entrance of the room, we have a refrigerator, some storage there. Put all your bibbles and bops on top. Nice mermaid. And if you look over here to your right, we have a lovely storage space. Plenty of room to hang your clothes. Look at that size. You could hide your kids in there. I mean, just kidding. This room has storage galore. Look at all those built-in shelves. The owner plans to add Pullmans, so there'll be an extra bed or two. So if you want to come with a family, I believe this room will eventually accommodate up to 4 people. So again, we have this great seating area, couch, chairs. The TV over here swivels both towards the bed and towards the seating area. Remember, the TV is full of movies and more, your daily bulletin, all the things right there on the TV screen. We have a nice king-size bed, lighting fixtures on both sides, end tables, tons of space. You could even do some yoga or workout here. There's a nice desk space over there if you still need to work or just check those emails. Plenty of space to work. It could be a makeup desk. I see lots of outlets. Illy coffee machine, ice maker, drawers, and look at that. There's even more storage, which right now I believe the owner has her belongings in the storage over there, but I am sure we could make more space if need be. We have a restroom here for you. All the necessities, sink, shower, toilet. What more do you need when you are sailing the world? Remember, this price includes all those things you would pay next to. Do you know on a regular cruise, you're paying about $50 a day for Wi-Fi? That's crazy. Your Wi-Fi here is included. You get your laundry done. That's extra on cruise lines, unless you're paying really high dollar to have it included. You have 2 beer or wine with lunch and 2 beer or wine with dinner, your gratuities, your port fees, all those things that you pay extra for are all included in your monthly fee. So this is definitely a balcony suite villa, if you will. Let's go check out this amazing large balcony. Woo, super windy. So we have a table and 2 chairs. We have 2 loungers. You can kick back, relax, enjoy the ocean view. We are off the coast of Japan. We've been at sea the last several days. We're almost there. And this owner has some time away from the ship and is ready to rent out. To contact the owner, you're going to head to the description. After the end of the title, click the word more. The description will expand and you can see the contact information of the owner. Reach out, work it out, come join us on the Villa Vie Odyssey and brag how you have one of the biggest and best rooms aboard.